Hi, today in front of me OPPO A77s and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So first we should open the Muviz Edge application and select one from the available tabs. Tap to apply. To change the background of the tab, we should swipe to the up or to the down. Click to apply. Tap to music controls. We could switch them after to hide them after 10 seconds, so just to don't hide them. Also we got here show notifications switcher and the calendar date switcher. So just to show the dates and notifications we should use the switchers, and to show battery status always while charging on hour, select one from these available options. So click to this X icon, switch AD to the settings, tap to always on display. We got here shown on screen lock section. So we got here always while charging all on music options, so we could use them separately or together. We could also decrease or increase the brightness level from just 30 to 100%, to change AD timeout, to also in low power after to change the time, to change the screen orientation from auto to portrait landscape to a reverse landscape, to close it by double or single tap on the lock screen, to close it on fingerprint, on screen off, to set the shadow, to start the end time, to use it in a pocket mode, or to disable this option during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize AD option on our OPPO device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.